Here at ASEA, literally from the inception of the company, it's been a high priority for us to put resources and attention on research and science. We've known what the product was doing for people, and it's always been a high priority for us to put money and effort behind research and prove what we were doing and validate that.
Experts are looking at health and wellness on a whole new level, the cellular level. A company called ASEA has developed a groundbreaking technology that is able to replicate molecules that are native to the body and are essential to total health and wellness. Why is this important? Because redox signaling molecules are crucial messengers that help protect cells, rejuvenate them, and keep them functioning at optimum levels in the body.
Redox signaling molecules are created in every cell of the body, and they are vital to life. But as we age and with exposure to environmental toxins and other stressors that diminish cellular function, the body's ability to maintain a proper balance of redox signaling molecules diminishes as well.
So those molecules, redox signaling molecules, they are created in every single cell in the body. These molecules are critical to sustain life, they're critical to maintain health, and if you're not healthy, they're critical to become healthy.
What got me excited about redox signaling technology is when I understood the science behind it. In order to heal, you need materials and you need labor. Materials are supplied by nutrition, labor comes from redox signaling molecules. Now, for the first time ever, we can supplement with the materials and the labor together.
I think ASEA's commitment to science and validating and proving what this product does, this technology does, is very important. ASEA invests in research at independent laboratories, which is wonderful because they say, here, you test it, and wherever the chips fall, they fall, because they have confidence in the product.
So when you have a scientific breakthrough as powerful as ASEA's technology, it's incredibly important to have scientific validation for the hundreds of thousands of subjective reports of improvement.
So we've been working with ASEA for several years now, and what we've been most impressed with is that ASEA is very interested in doing properly conducted trials. Everything we do here is double-blinded, placebo-controlled, and in the end we're trying to produce data for ASEA where all human and research bias has been removed. An example of the type of study that we have done for ASEA is a randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled community trial that we did with 106 overweight women. The women were randomized to take 4 ounces of ASEA every day for 12 weeks, and we took blood samples every 4 weeks, and then we analyzed them for a wide variety of different measures: inflammation, oxidative stress, immune function. And what we found in this study, that there was a highly significant effect of taking 4 ounces of ASEA on a very important marker called oxidized LDL. Now, when heart disease begins to form in the body, oxidized LDL is a major contributor to the plaque that builds up with heart disease. So this is a risk factor. And if you can keep your oxidized LDL low, your chance of heart disease goes down. And we found that drinking 4 ounces of ASEA for 12 weeks reduced oxidized LDL levels in the blood. It was a highly significant finding. It was not due to chance. We also found that DNA in the body can get oxidized, and we had a marker for that. And that marker also was lower in the ASEA group over time compared to placebo. So our data are supporting that probably the most important effect of ASEA on what we call disease risk factors is a reduction in these types of oxidative stress.
Okay, so oxidative stress is usually electrons, unpaired electrons that are in molecules that cause damage. In the biological system, a radical is a very reactive molecule.
That is, we have an unstable oxidant, a molecule without an electron that's banging around trying to find an electron, and every time it bangs into a molecule, into a cell membrane, then it causes damage to that cell. All degenerative health conditions are caused by oxidative stress, and in fact 95% of all adult conditions are degenerative. They either have oxidative stress as the cause, or it's a product of the issue itself.
The results of this study are incredibly exciting. To actually have proof positive that redox signaling molecules are changing the levels of oxidative stress in the body, that's very significant. This is huge. This is incredibly exciting. Now we can share with everybody that these redox signaling molecules allow the body to go back into balance and help the body to fight oxidative stress. We're actually decreasing these levels. That's incredible.
With each subsequent study, we learn more about what it is that the product does in the laboratory, and it helps to validate for us as clinicians what we see daily with our patients.
ASEA has developed a technology that stabilizes redox signaling molecules in a consumable form. ASEA Redox Supplement is a one-of-a-kind breakthrough.
Because the ASEA Redox Supplement works at the cellular level, it enhances overall health. My athletes that I am working with are reporting an increase in endurance and a quicker recovery when using ASEA Redox supplements. When my athletes can recover day after day at a much higher level, then they're able to perform at a higher level, which produces a more fit athlete. Because the ASEA Redox Supplement works at the cellular level, it supports every kind of cell and enhances overall health. Redox signaling molecules support a more active, energized lifestyle.
And what's really exciting about working with ASEA is that we're really working at health and wellness on the cellular level. You can't have a healthy body if you don't have healthy cells. If you have healthy communication between two cells, just like in any relationship, you're going to have a healthier cell. So not only do these redox signaling molecules help with communication, they also help rejuvenate. They give the cells life. All of that is really important for total health and wellness.
There's a way to deliver active redox signaling molecules directly to the skin. Renew 28. It's a whole body skin therapy that improves skin health at the cellular level. As a dermatologist, I see a lot of new science, but I'm really excited about Renew 28 because it targets the cellular health in a new way that other products haven't.
Renew 28 has been in several clinical trials conducted by Dermatest, a European research firm, and the participants showed amazing results.
After just 28 days of using Renew 28, participants showed a decrease in eye wrinkle depth of 21%. Overall wrinkles improved 23%. Skin texture improved 22%. Skin smoothness improved 23%. Skin elasticity improved 20%. And even skin moisture improved by 11%.
In a separate study using Renew 28 for cellulite, there was a reduction in the appearance of the cellulite by more than 15%. Another research firm, Stevens & Associates, measured the effects of redox signaling on blood flow to the skin and skin cell turnover. Study participants showed a 16% faster skin cell renewal rate and a 55% increase in microcirculation to the skin.
Studies on ASEA Redox Supplement and Renew 28 prove that they contain redox signaling molecules stabilized in their bioactive form. This has been certified by Bioagilitics, which is a third-party independent laboratory.
And this product has been proven safe, earning Dermatest's 5-star clinically tested seal, its highest possible commendation.
Although you may not have heard of redox signaling before now, it's not a new area of science. It's been researched for decades. Multiple Nobel Prizes have been awarded for discoveries related to it, and there are over 10,000 peer-reviewed scientific papers written on the subject. What is new is the ability to supplement the body's own redox signaling molecules for overall health that starts in the cells.
We have such a unique product set here at ASEA. These are products that really do make a huge difference in the lives of the people that use them and share them. And it takes research to validate what a lot of us has already known. And ASEA will always spend resource, time, and energy on validating what we know from our products through this kind of research. It's people that matter most. At the end of the day, it's people that matter most. And ASEA will always be building products that make a difference in people's lives that can be validated with this kind of research.